What is up, everyone? We are back with another video. Had a trade today on gold. I'm just going to show you guys my thought process inside of this trade, how it ended up playing out, and all of that. So, when I showed up to the markets at 7 o'clock, I saw this supply zone right here that I marked off. This broke structure, which was right here at this point, and it almost broke structure beyond this point. So that's important to me because it shows intent. So 7 o'clock, we ended up coming back to the zone and then wicking it. At that point, I knew that selling pressure was pretty strong because when price wicks out a zone, more than likely it's gonna tank. So once price wicked out the zone, I had not a feeling, but I knew that price would most likely reject from that point on, since we filled in also this gap right here. We filled in a majority of that gap. Another important thing that I like to look at is where liquidity is at. So we already took out Asia low, and that's what made us reject from there. But where is the next liquidity that I was looking for? It was London low. So as soon as 7 o'clock opened, I knew there was a higher chance that we might reject and take out London low. And that's exactly how I was in this trade and I was able to see this trade, because London low wasn't taken out yet as soon as price opened. And it ended up hitting 5R. Now I could have stayed in the trade longer, but I ended up making a mistake on my part. I gotta stop doing that. Where I closed off a huge portion of the trade on accident on my topstep account. Other than that, the markets are very down today. If I wouldn't have taken this gold trade though, I would have lost on this Dow trade. I already had a feeling that, because I marked off this trade earlier, but it ended up tanking. So that just goes to show you, like, nobody has 100% strike rate. I definitely don't have 100% strike rate. I'm basically on a good month or good couple of weeks, I'm 50%, 40% at best. So right now the Dow is tanking pretty hard. Nasdaq as well is tanking very hard. I'm gonna see tomorrow if I can get a couple sales in. September is honestly known as a selling month for indices, so we're gonna see. We have a lot of data this week as well, so we're gonna see how all of that comes together and if any more opportunity happens. This week will probably be one of the highest volatile weeks of the month, because September also has way lower volatility as well than other months. Well, way lower volume as well than a lot of other months. So that's the trade I took today, and I'm gonna show you guys now my topstep account. Now something else, I see a lot of traders, ICT traders, look at this. So once price, I could have gotten in on the 1 minute time frame, but with gold I don't really like doing that, and a lot of my trades I don't really like doing that. I just like getting in off of a wick rejection. But once price broke structure here, I could have gotten in inside of this area right here, put my stop loss right above, and then trade. I could have got a bigger R&R from that trade. But honestly, the 1 minute is nice and all, but I like getting my rejection from up there and then getting inside of the trade. So yeah. I'm gonna show you guys my top step now. So here's my top step. You guys, the people who've been watching the whole time, you've seen my little journey. Right now we are up 1,899, which means we only need around we need less than half to pass. We're almost up 4%. So, and we have a 47% win rate, almost 50. Average win to loss ratio two. This is usually higher, but the more trades I take, like I said, the higher this is gonna get. Then my profit factor is 2, which is really good. And then here's my equity curve. And then this is September. This is the only trade I took for this month. So we're gonna see how things play out. Like I said, I'm going to pass. I said this in a previous video. I'm going to pass this challenge, and I got out of that drawdown I was in before. And I'm just gonna keep on following my system, following my plan, and taking the right trades. taking good quality setups, and we're gonna see how things end up by the end of the week and the end of the month. So that's it for this video. Today was a pretty decent day, and we're gonna come back, reset tomorrow, and then take another trade and see how things play out. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys later.